Damaged Wi-Fi function of iPhone 12 and above devices equals scrap. Already conquered. Wi-Fi function damage can also be repaired. No need to disassemble the hard drive to unbind Wi-Fi using the original chip solution supporting all iPhone 12 and above models. Demonstration of mobile phone opening normally using Wi-Fi function. Before repairing, connect your phone to the Shalu PC and try to read the Wi-Fi serial number. If Shalu PC cannot detect the Wi-Fi SN, need to disassemble NAND. Use #H7 programmer to query Wi-Fi SN. Unplug the data cable and begin to disassemble the motherboard. Place the motherboard on the heating table for heating and stratification. In order to ensure formality, we destroyed the Wi-Fi outro and then turned it on for demonstration. Place the damaged motherboard on the middle test rack for testing. Wi-Fi status unavailable, original serial number unchanged. Take the motherboard with the damaged Wi-Fi module and replace it. Eliminate the edge adhesive. Dismantle the Wi-Fi module. Solder dragging. Clean up the residual adhesive. Thoroughly clean. List of items. Switch disk page. Click to write Wi-Fi SN. Write the red out Wi-Fi SN. Precision installation. Meeting 100% regional factory process standards. Put the motherboard with LB's original Wi-Fi module installed on the middle test rack for testing. Wi-Fi function is perfectly restored. The serial numbers are the same. Trauma unable to repair to perfect resurrection. All you need is a professional solution.